Good morning. Today I'm going to be talking about the major assignment, which is the Model Exam 1, Disciplines of Psychology, Clinical Psychology. Model Exam 2 is Impeding Normative Development Teratogens. Model Exam 3 is Psychopathology, Depressive Disorders. The first thing that we're going to be talking about is clinical psychology. Clinical psychology is the study, diagnosis, and treatment of mental illness that people require of professional help because of the psychological disorders that they have. Like the images appears in the PowerPoint. The one is mental illness, the other one is schizophrenia, and the other one is depression. We're going to be talking about the diagnosis. Diagnosis is when someone starts feeling mentally unwell. The first thing that they should do is to go and see the doctor or a health professional so it can help you for the diagnosis to see if you need a treatment or not. So treatment is when there is something that should be taken care of. So the doctor or psychologist will be telling you that you do need a treatment, so they can give you some medications like the pill or the psychotherapy. The next thing that we were going to talk about is impeding normative development, the teratogens. Teratogens are agents that make the brain of the embryo cannot be developed properly. Four examples of teratogens are, first is alcohol, nicotine, many illegal drugs, and fast food. Pictures. So we're going to be talking about what can happen if a pregnant woman consumes drugs. The substances when someone is pregnant and start consuming drugs and alcohol can cause malformations in the baby's brains and body, and it really slows the child's intellectual development. Also, what can happen if a pregnant woman has poor nutrition? Poor nutrition like fast food. Poor nutrition can cause hyperactivity disorder to the child and bring him some behavioral disorders in the future, like ADHD. Finally, the last thing that we're going to be talking about is psychopathology. In this case, it's depressive disorders. Depressive disorder is an illness that involves the body, mood, and thoughts. Most of the people that experience depressive disorders needs treatment to get better. Psychopathology I'm going to be talking about the two of the most common type of depressive disorders. One of them are major depression and the other one is psychotic depression. So major depression is a combination of symptoms and it interferes with the ability to work, sleep, study, and most of the time it interferes with enjoying any activity that you do every single day. And the last one is psychotic depression. Psychotic depression is a severe illness and it accompanied by some form of psychosis, such as break with the reality. And breaking with the reality can bring you hallucinations, delusions, and all the type of stuff can make you away from reality. And in conclusion, we review the three topics of Exam 1, Exam 2, and Exam 3. Disciplines of Psychology, Clinical Psychology, Impeding Normative Development, Teratogens, and the last one was Psychopathology, Depressive Disorders. And that's it. Thank you so much.